Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we get to check out a brand new electric motorcycle. There is only 3 sold currently in this country. It is that new, and I can't even pronounce the name properly. So this is going to be fun. Cue the intro. Well, we are here with Ventor and the absolutely awesome bike. Now, we have the Energica, is that right?
Energica.
Energica. Ribelle. And it's 107 kilowatt. It's got a 21.5 kilowatt battery.
Kilowatt hour battery.
And it will do a range of what, about
110 miles.
110 miles.
This time of year.
Only this time of year.
In the summer, hopefully more.
Okay.
The battery's cold. Quite cold weather for batteries,
so what,
as you're well aware.
So what do you reckon we'll actually get?
It's about 120 in the summer.
That's good though, isn't it? That's, yeah. And how often, how much ever do you want to do any more than that without stopping?
About 50 miles and my arse's had it. I need a rest. Cup of tea in a wee, 50 miles.
And boom, it's done.
But you want to stop and chat to your mates, don't you?
Yeah,
on the
you
bike.
do. Exactly. So, what's it like to ride? That's the most important thing. You've owned it for what now? A week, 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
It is addictive.
Addictive, just pure power.
But it's also really smooth. You can go slowly and just relax.
So I'm sure that Ventor himself would not at any point speeded on this bike at any point. Never. Because obviously he's completely
60 miles an hour and 70 once on a dual carriageway.
So how fast does it really go?
125.
Well, there you go. He's obviously done 125 miles per hour. So the plan of it is to do kind of like a owner's review on Ventor side of things and showcase the actual bike itself. Obviously this bike will be on Ventor's channel a lot, so you can go and check that out and obviously subscribe and check out his channel. But what we're going to do is we're going to do some really funky stuff, do some rides. I'm going to put the specs of the bike up on there. It's got things like Rambo brakes, stuff like that. I never go too much about spec because I get really bored. Rambo? Brambro. It's like Rambo. It's a similar kind of thing. Basically, it's got a big gun and it goes in and it wins every single thing. So like I said, I don't really do massive specs. What I do is I have a bit of a giggle. So we're going to get some awesome riding shots. We're going to get the bike going along. We're going to put it all together. And there'll be no cats.
No cats.
You often bring your cat along?
No, not normally.
Right, let's have a bit of fun and let's check out this bike and see what it's like. Well, there's only one thing left to do really, and of course that's ask very nicely that, can I ride this beautiful beast of yours?
No.
You know you want to?
No.
Definitely not?
No, no way.
So, we're on it, what's it called again?
Energica Eva Ribelle.
Okay, so we're on the Energica Eva Ribelle. And we're going to now take it for its first ride. Now, I've never ridden one of these ever. This is Martin's own bike. This is Ventor's channel's bike. So this is going to be my first ever experience of trying this. I've done the 0, so I kind of know what to expect. You press the button, it says go, and you go. Let's just see how much fun that this bike is. I'm literally just riding it down here, turning it around and taking it for another blast. But yeah, what a beautiful machine already. And that sound, the Soundatron every time makes me smile. Now I've got to try and turn around this big beast of a machine. So here we go. Nothing's coming. Whee. Okay, so here we go, second run, proper time this time, proper go. We're going to pull this down and we're going to give it some beans. Let's go. Woo! Oh wow, that's like, oh, it's electrifying. That feels absolutely amazing. Now it's got that big street fighter feel. You're down, you grip down in the bars, you've got that kind of stance. But it goes like the clappers. Wow! Yeah, absolutely amazing. Now of course this is a privately cut off road, so I can speed as fast as I possibly like. You can see the dash is well easy to see. It is literally full electric. There is no motor or anything in here, so you've got a front brake and a rear brake. There is no clutch, there is no gears. It's just twist and go. And it is fury. It is just, it's like it's angry and it wants to eat you. What an amazing machine to ride. So I feel very racer position, very aggressive feel to this. My feet are slightly back on the pegs, as they are, slightly back on the pegs. And you've kind of got that forward feeling. But I've got to say, I like it already. Now if I just keep going, obviously Fentor can't keep up on my 500, so you know what I'm saying? I could just keep it. He wouldn't mind. It's got trade plates on and everything. No one would care. But look at it. Oh, look at it. Ready for it? Power! What a beautiful, beautiful beast. It feels well made. Everything about it feels good. Feels where it should be. It's just another, honestly, if you don't try electric, try it, because it just feels absolutely gorgeous. Literally, jump on, first impressions blast, that's all that was. I'm not taking it massively far because obviously it's Martin's new baby and he's, you know, very luckily let me have a quick go up and down on it. But what a beast. What a beast. I want it. I really want it. It's quick, isn't it? Of course we've got the road closed, so we're perfectly fine. It feels aggressive. It feels, yeah, it makes you want to go. It's got that, it has got that street fighter, that sports kind of position to it. And again, once you go in, it feels really light. There's no point on this that I felt like it's a heavy bike. Sitting still, you can feel it compared to even that. But it's very well low planted. Well, we've got to the point now where we've finally stopped and we're in the right place because obviously we've come to church because we're here to pray. But the thing of it is that I promised Fentor, Martin, he was going to have a bishop's finger in. So I brought it to the right place. Are you excited to get fingered?
It'd be lovely. Especially as it's non-alcoholic. And
you've got pie.
Yeah, look at this pie. Freshly cooked this morning. Not by me. This is an Edith's pork pie from Ely.
So you didn't cook it yourself?
No.
I'm a bit disappointed, to be honest. No, I'm not really. It's gonna be good. You said it was hot when we picked it up.
It's still slightly warm.
So you're gonna
be cooked this morning.
I
think beer and pie. There's no pubs open. But we don't need them to be open.
So you're gonna get bishop fingered and pork pied all in one hit. You lucky man. The thing about this electric bike is it just makes you want to stare at it because it is so beautiful.
I want someone who can please me. I want somebody who cares. I need a lover who never leaves me. I need somebody who cares. I've been searching my life, I just couldn't find it. The special someone to give me my heart. I've been searching my life.
Okay, so it's the end of the day. We've been riding all day, we've been filming all day, and it's been absolutely amazing. It's definitely one of the coolest electric bikes I've had the opportunity to ride, but I still can't name properly. So, of course, it's time for me to leave. So I just want to say a big thank you to Martin for letting me ride his awesome bike. And, of course, there's only really one last thing to say before we go. Obviously, this is going to be put into a montage, one of the epic helmet head versions. So, can you say, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the best electric bike in the world?
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the best electric bike in the world.
Can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got that motion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on you. Can't take my eyes on. 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 Your head's turned. You make my heart burn. It's like I'm awake inside of a dream. You're getting closer. Night's almost over. I might just ask you to leave now with me. Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on you. Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on. Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you.
Well, there you go. What an absolutely awesome machine that was. I mean, I can't pronounce it. I've tried a million times. The Electrico Evo Ribelle. It's Italian. Who cares? It is sexy. It is cool. And a massive thank you to Fentor for today. I really appreciate it. That guy's got an awesome YouTube channel. And let's be frank, he spent his hard-earned money buying that machine. And he obviously, you know, falling in love with his Italian beautiful machine. And then he's let me go and have a good ride and give it a good 11 out of 10. So now it's got to be worth £1 million, or he'll just have to really give it a good clean afterwards. But do you know what? What a bike. And it is really impressive. It sounds amazing. It went literally, it zooms past me on my little 500. When we went to plug it in at the charger, it rapidly charged really quickly. It charged, it was from like 40%-ish and went right up to 100, and we hadn't even finished a coffee before we ended up departing towards the end of the video. And do you know what? I would buy one. It is really cool. It's a Street Fighter bike. It's awesome. Well, thank you for watching this video. I do really appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, that bell button, so you don't miss out on another episode. Before you disappear, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave us a nice comment. I do really appreciate it. I do my best to read every single one. So I just want to say really quickly, again, a huge thank you to my patrons. These guys are the supporters of this channel. They put their hard-earned money into this channel so we can bring you as many episodes as possible. If you're interested in becoming a supporter, there is a link for Patreon down below. You get to check out the videos first and you get your name in the credits. There's loads of tiers with loads of different stuff going on. So as I said, please go and check that out. Then of course there's the Helmet Head merchandise, the awesomest t-shirt in the world. It's not just awesome, it's absolutely amazing. Check this out. That is just cool, right? And again, that's available on the merch shop, so there's a link down in the description. They're all there for you guys to go and check out. And then of course there's only really one last thing to say: the gospel of life, the 3 most important things ever, and of course that's eat pie, ride motorcycles and be happy. I will see you in the next bonkers Helmet Head adventure. Bye bye for now.